Is this best? Do you mind if I have a look in here for a sec?
Yeah, go for it.
Yep. Well, that's a positive in a way. But then he could go up this wall and that wall to get a mind map of the house. I do, and I reckon with any luck he can't get past the corner because it'll be two studs like that. Yep, shove it, feel every void, shove it up right in there so he can't get past here, and then we're laughing, mate. Renovation for Red Belly. All right. So I want you to watch your side. Got him. Yep. Yeah, I got him. Just stand back, stand back. There he is. Ah, successful mission. But if you're a healthy person, generally, it makes all the difference.
Yeah. I mean, out of the two, which one would you rather have?
Oh well, I'd much rather
none.
I'd much rather get bitten by one of these than an Eastern Brown. But
but these are Eastern Brown, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they will. So they're a very useful snake.
Yeah.
Oh, see him taking it out on my...
Let's
breathe. Come on. Come on. Might be other snakes in there, but... Done.